Overseas. Ito po yung territory. Tapno, maprotektaran di aming nakakadwa, kaya itirik regulasyon til dinter besok sulod din sa bali ng lugar. Itakta, kaday ko may panamo man kada kayo, manatay bigbigat, yung mayam ni Kapsat ko na may isang natutukan ng Presidente ng International Filipino Group in the United States. Kaya na may padanon, hindi presensya na, manang ibagang kada ito ibaga na naka-Hong Kong, tanukan tungkol, tumalalang kita, tabay bakak, noanya man, hindi kasaysay atan, naman mabalin isunahan, kahit mabalinda na matulungan ito'y Estados Unidos ng kayak dati at trabaho ito.
Wow! Yay!
Kaya kung panalog na tayo, kung ikasano, mas madakkel na oportunidad iti Estados Unidos, kanti Europe. Ato, hindi kang nagwa tayo man iti Europe, kamapayagda, they are organized even in London. No? So nga tayo yung organisasyon tayo ng Samahang Ilocano, ayat ko na iban na may isa adigi iti international group. Kaya natin magtutulungan may gani ISD, kaya dito yung officialis in Manila. Do kasano na mapalin na kakayo, dahil na tumang na andaman Australia, ke ang itinulong tapno dahil experiensya yung dito. Na-overload tayo dito yung overload dito yung Hong Kong. The competition is too much stiff. Dahil niya, i-employer dito, ang mutang ng ato, inibapan nga Pilipino dito, isang mga medyo nabingat na nakatutungay. Pati na niya establishmento. Kaya today ito, may lawlawat tayo. And then through the assistance also of our government, no? The Philippine government, we can make use of the help of IME. No? Even, di ba kung hantay mga problema, like doctor na trabaho ng ako ko. But IME is always active and our Secretary General knew that even IME is visiting the university area and in other associations and making her presence. And I was thinking that since he has the ability, tatalino, he has a great influence over the Department of Labor, na ito'y na problema we could create, the Philippine government would create help the organization in the respective place. At yung pagka ni Presidente, kapatid ka rin tayo, iti grupo tayo, iti Hong Kong, iti no, turang iti assistance, iti konsulado, ang muyong di konsulado ka padala, dahil ti mayor na katungtungin tayo. Pero nung datumag ka, ay, papalag pa ng makinig, wala naman. Pero nung at salita di mo, ay may, oy, kita ang dito, ano niya yung problema, kitain naman. So therefore, magaling na kita kayo, kasapunan at the regular training program tayo, dahil ito'y kapagsak tayo dito Hong Kong, doon datumag, may painom-inuman na malagit na siguro, di ba kita doon anak na iyay, problema na, aging tinuna, sa pasabali na klaro, di anda tirutin na. So we can simplify that by assisting them. And so it is the consulate who should be conducting a seminar. Tarutan kayo, di mag-conduct a seminar, dahil yung oras na ipagampay, ay kung yung nagdikta, awan di pundo may pura may, no, bakit yung Department of Foreign Affairs, kita palagpasya kita naman, ano mapunta na taning, mismo man yung IME ka nang ibagan. Oh, so, I am telling you, the coordination of Hong Kong and other areas are so effective if you are reporting to the ISG. All of these things because we could make the proper move. Tatakla ka nakita, ang dataran. At katugtungan tayo ni Kwani, I mean, pati kibos nilyos, pati nagiging members, estudyante nga grupo tayo, katugtungan na, awan ko iba ka namin ang problema. Tumulong isunay, we could now tell her that, sir, ma'am, mamay, yung helping our group now, there is some sort of need to make your presence there through proper education. So, noted yung sinabi ng ating Pangulong, mabuti nandito pa kaming nakinig Tamang-tama, no? So that I can say something also when we are talking about overseas workers. Now, in Europe, there is great coordination. No? One time when I went there, I told them that I experienced making use of the railroad. Eh, kahit na problema diyan, gahe-gahe, yes, ano, ang lugang kalahin din train, pa yan. So, there is an effective development among our overseas workers in Europe. Now, in Australia, ako yung may datong ng kontinente, patungkol din di Pilipino dyan. When I was in the military, I was twice sent there, and I have been conducting continuously with the organizations that we have done. So, it is so timely that your President has reminded us of our responsibilities. You and we, no? So, pag tulong-tulungan natin yan, this is just a very good way of touching our attention, no? Not only in the social aspect, but in the economic development aspect. Thank you, Mr. President, for taking that idea of speaking on an issue at this point in time, that we could listen at the same time, make a participative approach in solving all these problems. No? So, in behalf of our organization, as the president for quite a long time, no? But I am getting aging already. I am already 78, no? Until me 79, but 70 nyo. Sabi mo niya, sala! Tawag na medyo exercise ko, kanta naman ito. Tawanan, ilagay na kung wala natin ibalasa nito. Kalat-mahal pa yung jaksala.
Ako Chairman, nakagwapo ba eh? Nakatarong-taraki pa eh, palakpakan na mga Apo Chairman Malapsan. Hong Chester, isang baksak kay Apo Chairman.
Thank you. And that is my participation, and you awaken, at least it was a responsive way. We have to widen it, widen our participation, not only in Hong Kong, but also in other places, even in Europe. The organizations here are active. Probably some of you might decide to transfer there. In the United States, there are opportunities. Anyway, just early this morning, my brother called up the president of the international group of our organization, Cesar Tapos. May apatay nga rin, baka naman no, at sa kaso, kasi kung tapos na yung president, di man sa mga nagkati, gusto-gusto na yung Cesar. So, I have to respond. So, thank you, and we look forward that we will be celebrating more of this occasion.
Thank you so much, Apo Chairman, palakpakan tayo.
Sayang-sayang ni Mr. Jackie and ni Lakainan, mo bandito, kakapasya-pasya. Siyakit, sinubo ko sa mga nag-igat mo, kakapasya-pasya ka na rin may isa.
Apo Chairman, please stay home. Would like to call on our national and executive to give the plaque to our chairman. Baliktad Apo Chairman. Would like to call Mike Castro, of course, our Vice Chairman, Apo Saldi, our National President, Apo Dante, and Apo Go, to award the plate to our plate.
Maybe pala sa our solo president. This is to certify that this certificate is already certified.
This is to certify that this certificate is already certified. That the Confederation of Organization sa mga Ilocano, SECREC 61892, plate of appreciation in hereby awarded to our IC, Attorney Julius Magno, brother, International Chairman Founder, for his and her invaluable contributions as guest speaker during the induction ceremony of chassis 61892 HK, given the 16th day of February 2025 at the 5th floor Windsor House, Causeway Bay. Signed by our Secretary General Arlene M. Isidro, Governor Mauro Valdivino, National Sorority President Judith Abalahin, Vice Chairman Saldi Domingo, National President Dante Perido, and of course our own Chairman Michael C. Castro.
Thank you very much for this appreciation. I hope that I will be receiving all such kind of plaque if we can accomplish something good for our overseas Filipino. Muna tayo, meron tayong ginawang mabuti bago natin isipin kung tayo naman ay maiis na bigyan ng plaque na ganito.
Palakpakan natin!
That you could make mention this at the consulate, that we have direct access. Even, you know, hindi ko pa nakita si Amy for the past 6 months, pero siya, 5 beses na pumunta na nakikipag-usap sa mga chapter natin sa university area. Sabi niya, hindi nakakadalo si Manong sa pag-isabi na, kaya na ako ng Kwan, bakit wala, kung yata wala kayong kailangan sa akin, kapatid ko ang Pangulo, sabi niya. So therefore, I think there is a high, good reason for us to approach him because this concerns also our Filipino workers. I will be talking with some groups also in Europe and some in England so that we could unify all of the problems. One city, diba? Ang problem ng Hong Kong, ganito, ang problema ng ganito. Kaya, so, hindi masasayang ang ating oras. And rest assured, no? Rest assured that we will bring this matter to Amy. I would like also one thing, magbigay naman kayo ng sulat ng request para sa akin. Sabihin nyo lahat ng problema. Baka hindi bali ang sinasabi ng problema. So, that is what I would know so that I could properly dissect. I have been in the labor movement. No? I am the president of the Federation of the National Democratic Labor Union. And I am always coordinating with the EUCP. Dati kami lang uusap, pagkatapos wala man lang masyadong problema. May mga problema pa lang ganyan. No? Ang kapatid ko, at saka yung mga kaibigan ko, alam mo, puro nagsasabi kung paano sila makatulong. No? So we can coordinate our efforts. No? Yan ang ibig kong sabihin. Magkaisa tayo, paminsan-minsan party, pero paminsan-minsan problema din ang siguro.